Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Derrick, and Jen are going to make for you something called the LAPU.
What is that?
This is what happens when Derrick goes through Beach Bum Berry's remix book and tries to find things he would not normally ever make. So that's what it is. It's a drink from the Aku restaurant from circa 1950 with a little bit kind of a riff on it because I don't think they have the full original recipe. So this is kind of like what it should be, but we don't really know for fact.
Polynesian?
Probably. It's got letters in it.
Yeah.
It's got to be.
I mean, it's not Hawaiian, but like more than likely they came up with a word that was Hawaiian or found a guy that was from Hawaii and made a drink out of it and was like, here you go.
Maybe he made it.
It sounds like you're sitting in a luau.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aku LAPU, that's
Maybe that's the guy's name.
Maybe.
Aku LAPU.
Maybe. So here's the
He
recipe.
comes running over. He's like, hold on, I got something for you.
That's the first time I've ever had meat that was
Where are we going?
Thing. It was at a luau.
Spit
And
on
I
a spit.
ate it. A spit.
It was
And
not.
I ate it and it was really good.
See?
But I could see it cooking and that's weird.
I feel no.
Jen does expand her culinary palate when she's on vacation. Occasionally.
But the funny thing is, that's all fake. That never actually happened.
What are you talking about? We went to a luau.
Luau's are cooking pork under the ground. It's not on a spit. It's under the ground in rocks. Right, you do see it, but it's in the ground.
All right, fine.
They dig it out of the ground and they put it on the table, and it looks like a pig that's been cooking under the ground.
Just because a pig.
There's no spit. There's no spit.
They put it on there.
He's got anger for days.
They cook it under the ground instead of on a spit.
We used that on a spit.
It's getting really mad.
It's not. It wasn't even close to that.
Someone's having anger.
Listen, here's the issue. I don't.
Whatever. I saw her cooking tonight.
Someone's gonna have angry phone drinking after.
No. Wait. Let me defend myself.
Jesus.
I personally don't care. It doesn't matter to me. But I know somebody.
You do care.
No. I know someone is gonna leave a comment going, luau's aren't on spits, you fucking morons. They're burned under the ground, under stone. And they'll send me a link to the source material. I don't want that shit.
Oh.
Alright.
Shit.
What? We run out? I got more. Oh. So the recipe is going to be an ounce of the following.
He has to kill it.
Kill it. You need to kill it. We can't.
I did.
I can't move on to this bottle, which is a different design. If you kill it. 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1 ounce of unsweetened pineapple juice, an ounce of white grapefruit juice, an ounce of orange juice, an ounce of falernum, an ounce of gold Puerto Rican rum, an ounce of dark Jamaican rum, an ounce of lemon Hart 151 Demerara rum, and about 2 cups of crushed ice. Here we go.
Blend it up.
Oh, this is like the perfect blend. It's not coming out. It's just sitting
Good
there.
speed.
Good speed, full speed, free. Look at that frost. Oh shit, I'm loving it. It's like McDonald's. I'm loving it.
Solomon says someone making it probably spit on it during the process, so you're both right.
Pineapple ass.
Yeah, because some American was like, does this go in a spit? And we're like, no.
Looks like breakfast today.
It's a breakfast tiki.
Does it fit? Does it look? It's like bubbly. Why is it so bubbly?
They can put a little more in there.
But what you're putting in there is also
You're
bubbly.
gonna
I'm
fit.
still. It'll
You're
fit.
gonna overflow.
It's just foam.
Go. It's just,
I got it.
It's just foam. Here, I'll put my salty fingers on it. Why is it bubbly?
Now you're just
pineapple juice.
It's like his brains.
I thought that would be foamy.
Like his
I guess it's not when it's
his brains.
Oh, that is kind of cool. I'm gonna drink some of it.
Oh, that's Tiki.
Oh, see, Cubans have like cajachina. The same thing. Only they put something over the top.
Coals.
Coals.
No, yeah. Instead of hot stones, you have coals. Everybody's kind of got the same. Like every culture figures it out, right? Like eventually, over hundreds of thousands of years, we figured it out. We just give it a different name.
I don't like to admit that I can see my dinner cooking, but it was really good.
You can't see a cookie.
Jen doesn't want her dinner looking at her.
That's right. I don't want my dinner looking at me.
Yes.
Because then it's way too real.
Well,
So
when
picky.
if you get a fish, if you order fish and it shows up and it's still in fish form, and it's looking at you, it's a little weird. You're gonna tell me it tastes like fruit juice again?
It does.
It does.
It's good.
He's drinking it without the pretty picture.
You have to drink from the head.
It tastes so much different from the tiki.
Thank you.
I do
Well,
like.
that's better.
How does it taste?
A lot better.
Oh yeah, because that's tinny, motherfucker.
I do like.
That's good like that.
No, nothing. You have to appreciate the fact that he looked you dead in the eyes while he took his sip. Like,
That's because he's gay.
No, it's because that's what you do when
And
you're
you're
drinking with
drunk.
somebody.
that's
You're drunk,
Share
you're
gains.
and you're in love with them.
And
Like
you're-
whatever. Like
gay. That goes back to the gay part.
There's non-gay love.
No, there isn't. Just
Do you-
come out of the closet.
Do you love your mom?
That's just weird.
That's non-gay love.
he's trying to catch
You're
you.
just weird.
He's
Ian.
trying to trap you.
I don't know. I don't know what I feel like yet.
Well, I'm going to let you think about this. So,
Is there lemon in there?
our executive producer Stephen Foisey. Click the join button to be like Stephen and help support the show.
Here tonight. That's
Oh yeah, Stephen's
I know.
about He probably has a life. It's a Saturday.
I like pineapple, but don't spit on it, Solomon.
It's the aftertaste isn't. It's
A little burnt.
yeah.
Gay does mean happy.
Yeah.
We're totally gonna get in trouble for all of this.
I'll just get canceled. It's fine.
It's the internet. Okay.
That's fine.
It's the internet. Okay.
See, Diana agrees with me. She won't eat anything that will bite back.
No, you have to.
That's how you win.
No.
I don't. It's.
You taste a little burnt. I can't tell you why though. Lemon Hart maybe, and the Jamaican rum combined together. Like these guys are going to team up on each other, right? Because you've got this heart wrenching like Bernie like rum, then you have this like funky Jamaican rum, and they're like we're gonna hit you, and these juices are like I don't know.
It's like all juicy up front, and then
It's like a rum something.
Business in the back.
yeah, but the business in the back isn't all that like
Yeah.
fun.
Right. Well, it's juicy
Well,
up
that's
front.
the
Business in the
business
back.
part.
That's- yeah.
So I think the
Guys,
Do you
problem.
like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. See.
Yeah.
Right.
Eh.
I think
Meh.
that the
Meh.
thing is,
Right.
Give me a
it's
straw. Maybe it's different. Maybe if
I
I,
don't think it's different.
maybe if I drink it from the bottom. Hold on, let me drink it through a straw.
maybe.
Give me that fucking
Even
cone.
you did. You went right.
Get away from the
You hear
cone.
yourself?
If you
Don't-
had a cone, this would be awesome.
Meh.
Yes, Dan bites back.
Don't forget
We're
to go to
gonna
our.
invert the cone.
If you're on TikTok, you need to follow
No,
Comedy
it'll go
Cocktails.
in the right
We
way.
need more friends.
No, won't.
It won't.
Just help me out.
Does it taste different?
I only got like
Oh,
200
well.
friends. Oh, I gotta go reverse.
So-
Oh.
Reverse cowgirl.
So get ready to drink because that's going to overflow.
Alright.
Get
Already?
ready to drink. You know you love it, so drink it more.
Suck it.
Suck it hard. Suck it deep.
There you go.
Suck it in. Suck it out. What do you think? Any better now?
Is it better through a cone?
What?
Oh, a little bit.
What were you? What? Hold on. What were you attempting to solve? What was the problem you were solving?
I don't know. Just
Reuse of the cone that you put so much work into.
yeah, I just really wanted to use the cone again.
Okay, that's fine. Completely.
But taste it now.
Okay.
Taste it through the straw.
Well, yeah, but now I know all the work I put into. So it's gonna be
Trust
better.
me, taste it through the
I
straw.
am biased.
Uh-oh, Diana wants to watch Dan's stirring skills.
Oh, you'll get that shit.
It's the same.
Not till next month.
It's the same.
It's not.
It has
Ian,
a
try
burnt
it.
finish.
I did.
I did.
Through the straw?
Almost like burnt pineapple.
Oh, yes. That's it. It's a
But
little
I
bit different,
don't
though.
get why I'm getting a burnt flavor.
It's like, no, not really.
It's got to be the lemon heart. It's
I
gotta
don't
be-
push this narrative so far, but I'm sorry.
I think we're giving it a.
Yeah.
meh.
I don't.
It's not like that. It's just like. Meh.
Yeah, it's. I don't know what it is. Bitters. No. At this point, there's no help with bitters because there's so much fruit juices in here.
Yeah.
And the problem is, it's in the back end, and you've got to get the back end flavor out.
You know
So
what-
you're gonna need more juice.
I think for me, sometimes like orange juice, like sometimes just like takes over.
It can, yeah.
Like a drink,
Yeah.
like-
But it's not.
And sometimes it's good. Sometimes I think it does.
You think it's taken? I get that. I don't mind the
I
orange.
get
juice.
like orange juice and then like the poopy flavor.
There's
in the
a
back.
bitterness there. This is not a good bitterness.
which just must be this.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Because the I get what you're saying, but the orange juice isn't what makes it bad. It's what makes it everything else. It makes it
Yeah,
all the
yeah,
other
yeah.
drinks. It's the finish that bothers me.
But the orange juice with the finish, I'm just like, it starts to make me not feel so good.
Right. But that starting orange juice, you're like, okay, it's a breakfast Oh no, it's not.
Yeah, you're like, oh, breakfast. Ooh.
Yeah. So
No, I can't have
that's why I'm
breakfast.
saying I don't want to blame the orange juice. I just don't know what to blame because honestly,
Yeah,
all these
okay.
ingredients we've had besides lemon heart, we've had all these ingredients in this week this month of recordings. We've used my custom falernum.
We don't drink all these in a night.
That would be way over.
Yeah, that's crazy.
But we've done this. Like literally, we have done all of these, every one of these ingredients in a different combination. We didn't have any problem with any of them. They weren't all the most stellar, but this one has that weird flavor. And the only this is
that's the best it's gonna get, Jen. So like, if you don't like it, it ain't getting any better.
We've elevated it to the cone.
Good job on the scorpion. By the way,
it's
Jen.
just
Salt? Yeah, I mean, maybe.
Well, I mean, the problem is there's so much juice already focused in here. It's hard to use a bitter, a salt to bring down the bitter, or any of those things because you end up with it's very hard to get rid of the back end flavor.
Yeah.
Because it's there. You can't replace it with the front end flavor because then you're just gonna go, oh, it's even better on the. Oh, it's still bad, right? You can't win. You got to figure out how to kill that, and I think it's a lemon heart. I would go with. Honestly, if we were to have to make that again, I would say you use the.
I would use that. Maybe I think would make it taste better.
I think that would make it taste better because it'd be yummier.
Yeah.
And maybe you wouldn't get like that burnt pineapple flavor. Which, if you burn pineapples, I think are fine because they get like
grilled pineapple's good.
Yeah, right.
I think what's hard is you put all this in there.
But we've done that.
And like the orange juice, like it's just like it tastes like orange juice.
We made.
I mean, it obviously.
We made the Captain's Grog, which has like 1,000 ingredients.
That one was good though.
Right. So it's like it's a fucking crapshoot when you put 1,000 ingredients. I just thought it would work. Hey, this is why we experiment and we find shit. So maybe the Aku Aku LAPU isn't necessarily the best drink. So I'm sorry for the Aku Aku restaurant. If this is what you guys made, I would consider a refactor.
Maybe the guy was drunk when he made it. Aku Aku.
Maybe it goes really well with something.
Oh, good.
At the restaurant, who knows?
Yeah, like
maybe it pairs
chicken
really
wings.
well with something.
Yeah. With pork.
with pork. It's gotta go with pork.
With 5 other drinks first.
With pork.
5 drinks.
With pork on
that. We did that already.
Maybe it goes really good.
But we don't drink them all.
With pork on a spit.
Yeah, maybe.
Pork on a spit, 5 drinks before it. There's plenty of ways you can fix this drink. It just isn't with bitters.
No, I don't know. I can definitely drink 5 drinks, and I think it would still be like,
Yeah, but better. I didn't say good. it's all about the wording.
True.
So, give it a try. See if you like it. If you were able to make the drinks that we made this month, you'll be able to make this one because it doesn't have anything new in it besides the lemon heart. And try a different thing if you have to.
Yeah, maybe try a different, like, overproof.
Yeah. Overproof, underproof, all the proofs. Do it. See what it does. Check us out on TikTok. Subscribe to the show. Sidebar. More videos. Tiki for me is a coupon code at awesomedrinks.com to save 20% to buy your syrups and your glasses and all the other stuff you need for your cocktail ingredients. Bartender starter kit below. That's it. We are teaching you how to drink.